Good day, everyone. I am Teacher Lydia Maso, and today I will be presenting the major genres of literature. In this presentation, we will discuss their definitions and features using pictures and video clips. The purpose of this presentation is to identify different genres of literature, understand their definitions and features, and appreciate each genre through video clips. On the slide, you can see a picture sample related to poetry, such as a poem or a person reciting a poem. Poetry expresses ideas, emotions through carefully choosing words, rhythm, and imagery. Poetry is written in lines and stanzas, often uses rhythm and rhyme, and is rich in imagery and figurative language. It is used to express deep feelings and thoughts. The picture on the slide shows a scene from a play or stage performance, which represent drama. Drama presents a story through dialogue and actions and is meant to be performed. Drama is written in script form, uses dialogue and stage directions, and is divided into acts and scenes. It is performed by actors on stage or on screen. On this slide, the picture shows a story in fictional character, which represent fiction. Fiction tells imaginary stories, although some may be inspired by real life. Fiction has characters, settings, plot, and conflict. It is created from imagination and can be realistic or fantastical. The picture on the slide shows real people, events, or information, which represent nonfiction. Nonfiction presents real facts, real events, and real people. Nonfiction is informative and factual. It includes biographies, essays, articles, and documentaries, and its purpose is to inform or explain. The picture on the slide shows a mythical character or traditional story, which represent myths or legends. These are traditional stories that explains beliefs, origins, or heroic deeds. Myths and legends are passed down through oral tradition, include supernatural beings or heroes, reflect cultures, and teach moral lessons. To conclude, the different genres of literature help us understand various ways stories and ideas are expressed. Through pictures and video clips, we can better appreciate its literary genre. My presentation is until here. Thank you.